Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking eligibility and hardware. Do that now. Use your school Microsoft account because Minecraft Education Edition ties to licenses. Enter your school email and sign in. Once you confirm your plan, check device requirements. Operating system, 4 GB plus RAM, storage space, install updates if needed. After that, ask your administrator to enable the app in Microsoft 365 Admin Center or assign a license directly. Once assigned, you'll be ready to download from the Education portal. Now download and install the app. Pick the Microsoft Store on Windows, App Store on Mac OS, or the Education Downloads page for other packages. Once downloaded, run the installer and accept any permissions. If the installer complains, update graphics drivers or install missing dependencies. After installation, launch the app and sign in with the same school account used for licensing. The app will verify your license. If it shows trial or guest, sign out and sign back in, or check license assignment in the admin portal before proceeding. Finish by setting up your classroom and verifying controls. Create a new class, invite students with a join code, and set appropriate permissions. Once students join, load a sample world and test camera, chat, and NPC features to confirm everything functions. Make sure autosave and backups are configured. If something breaks, try clearing the app cache, signing out and back in, or reinstalling the app. If issues persist, ask your IT admin to reassign licenses or check tenant settings. That usually resolves permission or activation problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.